What's up, RC Nuts? Hope you guys are enjoying this awesome footage. I really had fun with this little car. But here's the box. You know, this is the Axial SCX 24. I'm so impressed with this little thing. I don't know what it is. But down underneath, don't forget, underneath this white part, they're hiding the charger down there. Yup. Getting ready to get thrown out in the trash. Cut your little zip ties and this thing will slide right out, but be careful, your shocks, everything. And I mean, it's got so much awesome articulation in the suspension. Just look at it, it's like real easy so that when you're going over bumps and rocks, it just takes it all up. It's really pretty impressive for the price. Solid front and rear axles. Look at the tires. Look at the traction. They're super soft. So there's a lot of give in the tire itself. And it just grips everything. There's one little pin and then this will open up. You get down inside there. Here's where the connection is to plug into your charger. Battery is just right in there, zip tied. Or Velcro, actually, Velcro tied down, and then you just plug into that one port to charge it and unplug it and you're ready to go. There's one switch over on the side up here on the top, right over there, and that's about it. The frame is made of steel. Isn't that amazing for this little thing? Steel frame, solid front and rear axles, four-wheel drive, servo mounted on the front axle. The graphics look totally realistic. I mean, this thing, for the money, guys, I don't know if you can really beat this. Attention to detail is very good. It's got little bumper stickers on the back windows. I mean, this is totally what you would see cruising down the road, mobbing out around your town. Don't forget Viper Hobbies, guys. If you're in Mesa, Arizona or anywhere around the East Valley, gotta check out Viper. They've got the white and the yellow, which was pretty cool too. It's got a worm gear drive for better ground clearance underneath. The steel frame is C channeled, which means it's in the shape of a C, which gives it a lot more strength. You've got the coilover suspension, steel drive axles. The front and rear axle themselves are plastic, but they are solid and very strong for the capability that this little car needs. And all the drive shafts are splined, which is some quality you usually don't see in a product this inexpensive. I mean, look at the weight is only half a pound. It's crazy. 1.06 inches of ground clearance. I think Horizon Hobby did a great job with this little Wrangler. I mean, I'm having a blast with this thing, and it's funny because it's not super powerful, it's not real fast, it doesn't jump like my Max or any of this, but it's really fun to play with. And it's easy to use. The way the charger is and the way the battery is and all of these things is super easy, and it makes it just very enjoyable. If you're looking for an inexpensive crawler that works pretty well, I would definitely check this one out. If you guys liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Love to see you guys back. There's a lot more coming. Thank you guys.